the Nigerian Genius.
Welcome back, everybody. This is
Team UNN.
Our day started normally as usual with Miss Ifunanya coming along with our brain teaser. Today we had a very interesting brain teaser. We had two balloons, and the two balloons were to be inflated by us, placed shoulder to shoulder, two of them between each of us, and we have 5 meters to carry this balloon successfully without the balloon falling down, without the balloon also getting burst in the process of transportation. So it was a very interesting challenge because one, it required coordination, it required teamwork, and successfully so, we were able to carry the two balloons without any of them getting burst or falling down the 5 meters in a matter of 5 seconds to 5 seconds. We were able to do that in 5 seconds.
6 actually. 6 seconds.
So today we'll do something that focuses more on team building, on strategic planning, and on coordination. Having said that, today's task is the balloon shoulder walk. Your first task is to inflate it to the best size that you think would be good to do what you're about to do. Balloons have to be between your shoulders, and you walk a distance of 5 meters. So there's a start point and an end point. The winner will be those that move from the start point to the end point at the least possible time. So today we'll be using a stopwatch, and if the balloon falls or bursts, that's the end for the team.
Okay, we're able to do that in 6 seconds, so it was a big one for us. Though we came second place to put Mina, who were able to do it in 5 seconds.
Yeah.
It was quite interesting for us to be able to successfully do it.
But the interesting thing about the challenge this morning was the teamwork. We had to work together as a team. Nobody needed to go faster, nobody needed to go slower. We needed to carry each other along. Because if one person goes faster than the other, the whole team fails. If one person goes slower, the whole team fails. Carrying each other along and doing the tasks, working in synchronism. It was very interesting completing the tasks, and our teamwork improved.
From the conversation we had with the CEO this morning, he continued to reiterate the importance of the Genius Nigeria program. He was trying to ensure that we remember that what we are doing here is we are setting a standard. We are getting the ball rolling, not just for ourselves, but other members of the university community like us.
What is most important for us is that you are learning, because we are training you, and that you are able to communicate to the viewers nationwide what you learn. It's not an exam. It's just ensure that you learn. So when you are in a class, ensure you pay attention to what the trainer is delivering. Ensure that you understand. Where you don't understand, ask questions, and then when you come in the morning, you share with the world and the viewers what you've learned. One of the goals of the Nigerian Genius is to draw the whole nation towards engineering as a critical component of national development. So we wish you all the best as you continue in this noble cause of solving Nigeria's toughest engineering and manufacturing challenges. Good luck. Thank you.
We started the class with introduction to welding, to design and fabrication. We are told about the safety rules in design and fabrication. We are also told things that will keep us safe from the sharp edge materials and the sharp tools used in the factory, in factories or in design and manufacturing. Then we further went to start. We were given a project, an assignment to complete a task where we were asked to build an adjustable stool, which we completed a few minutes ago.